What's up guys, Trader CJ. Welcome to this video about ProjectX, the platform that most companies like TopStepX use, and this TickTickTrader, they also use ProjectX, and it's definitely a great platform to use, web-based. You can run it basically on a Mac, then on a Windows, and this will be a tutorial about running through a couple of things on this platform, what you see fit and how to get about trading it. And yes, let's jump right into it. I'm gonna move my face from this window and then we're gonna start. Okay, so let's jump into it. I currently have a position open here. I'm long on the MNQs at this level, 1175. Currently $94 in the money, 93. That's my target. So if you, for example, want to trade off the chart, so you can cancel your order there. For example, if you want to drag a take profit, so you press here, drag it up, set take profit, and then you just drop it like that. That's for a take profit. So I want to move up my screen a bit, and then for a stop loss, it's very similar, exactly like that. You drag it down because I'm long, drop it there. That's your stop loss. So take profit, stop loss, for example, and you can still drag it about as you wish and cancel it like that. So I'm going to cancel that for now, and then you can also see my position down here. This is the position. You can make this amount on that trade. Going to the orders, because there's one sell limit up here at 98. It's not filtered from the beginning, so that's the default. Like it filters orders, cancelled orders, open orders. So it's a way to actually pick up those orders that's in the market. You're going to go to status, there's 3 buttons here, click it, you filter it to just the open orders, and you can add additional filters if you want, but I'm going to leave that like that. So if I want to cancel that, just press here, and I'm going to cancel that open orders. So it's a quick way to see if you have any open orders in the market. So you can just cancel that. I'm going to put it back, for example, set my take profit there again, so it's up, you can see. Right, these are the trades. You can actually export your trades to a CSV file, and you can run through some analysis if you want to. So just go to export down here, and it will then export to your downloads. All right, these are the quotes for different watch. It's basically a watch list, and you can add additional. Left here, add symbol. You can add additional markets to this, and you can see going down, you can add additional ones here. All right, you can also link it. That's a maximize screen, minim. Okay, so apologies for that. Minimize there. There we go. So if I want to, going back to the dome, I'm gonna do this is a auto center. So you can see as the price moves, this thing will stay in the middle. So it's not always easy to put in orders in the dome. So I'm gonna leave that off. So now you can see the market's moving upwards. And then, for example, if I wanna put in an order here at 43 to buy, you can see it pops up there as a limit. You can then also drag and drop it if you want. It will also show up in orders, additional buy. You can cancel there, or you can go, I'm going to cancel that. You're going to right click, put in a limit buy of 1 contract. For example, I want to buy there 1 contract. I'm going to add it. I'm going to leave it here for now. I want to show you guys what happens when it gets filled. Let's put it at 40, around 40. See what happens when the take profit level, if you want to add a additional contracts here. Okay, you can see also that's what happened with the dome. Going back, you need to scroll manually to see the price, or if it's out of the screen, you can just press this button center on the last price. Press it once, now it's centered basically. So, or you can just use this auto centering if you want. Okay, then to show how to I'm gonna jump to some of the settings to use hotkeys as well. There's another way to actually put in orders if you want to use this order tab here. And you want to join the bid, join the ask, those basic buy and sells, close position, reverse position, cancel all orders, flatten or cancel all. So, but you can change this to limit. So you can put in your price where you want to put in your limit order. Let's cancel that one. Let's say we want to buy at 540, buy one contract at 2540. I'm gonna put in a limit, like I said, limit, and then it's bought. Okay. Just to go back to this thing is linked to this thing. It's blue, linked with the blue tab here. If I change this instrument, this one will also change. So just wanted to add that as well. But yes, that's the order on 540. Then I want to show you guys a couple of the... Okay, let's leave it for now. Okay, so I'm going to jump right to this market and its limit. This stop market, you can put in a stop loss. Stop market, so either a sell, let's put in a sell stop at 480. Sell one at 480, that's a sell stop market. It will show up there. Okay, I'm gonna cancel it for now. Okay, so I bought another contract. Just wanted to show you guys, if you buy another contract that was bought at this level 560. So now you can see everything updated. The take profit also updated to a sell, then two contracts, yeah. Or if you want to sell a different one, I'm going to right click here and then limit, sell a limit, automatically just sell one there. Move it down a bit. Alright, I'm going to jump into some of the settings you can use on this side. To the copy trading, if you have multiple accounts, you can choose your account there, your lead account, and then have your follower accounts there. Going to risk settings, every time when you open a trade, it will then automatically apply a take profit and a stop loss. So risk is then your stop loss. This is in dollar amounts. So if you put in 200, it will then set it like that, automatically apply it to those. And then you just save it, and then you've got, for example, your take profit automatically. And then, but I'm not going to use it now. But you can have brackets basically. That's a bracket order. When once you open a trade, it will automatically put in a take profit and a stop loss. You can also show confirmations when you do some orders in the market if you want. And these are for your personal daily loss limit. If you want to set your daily loss limit at 1,000 or 500, it will then, this is the action, what will happen. It will just show you a notification or an alert. It will pop up for you to stop trading, or you hit your daily loss limit, or it will liquidate all your positions, or it will liquidate and block you to not be able to trade any further during that day. So this is the daily profit target. So it's just the opposite. If you made your target of, let's say, for example, 1,000, it will also do the following options. You can save it here and then apply it. So going to this, I've set mine, it's usually on medium. I've set my data update speed at fast. And then you can hide your economic events on your chart. can also hide your chart plots and then plot alignment to right, and it shows my dollar amount. You can also change it to ticks, for example, or percentage or points. So you can change it to points, for example. I'll show you. Go back to your trading. It will then show points in the money. Going back here to charts, and I'm going to just leave it on that. Show chart executions. See where I bought the market and sold. So you can also add it. Privacy, you can just, for streaming purposes, you can pick those. Hotkeys, I'm going to show you how to use it. To cancel all, I'm going to set a hotkey. I'm going to hold Control and space bar, confirm that. So that's my hotkey for cancel all. Going back to my trading, I'm gonna need to enable hotkeys either here or here on my DOM. Let's say it's enabled. So now when I press Control space bar, it will then cancel my orders. Let's see, everything cancelled. Excellent. So if you want to disable it here, you can just do that, and you can add additional hotkeys if you want. So if I'm gonna sell one here at this price level, it will then automatically deduct from this one, or update it basically to -1, so it won't sell 3 contracts. This is a take profit of this whole position. It will automatically update. So just going back to settings, these are additional ones like sound alerts, visual alerts. That's nothing major. Okay, so I want to show you guys, if you have multiple screens and trading multiple instruments and you want to open a different, you go to here, open in new window. Let's close that. Open in new window. You will open this one with the same layout. So I'll just add a additional one here. And so you can use this screen or this tab on a different screen. So you can also always change the instrument here and trade something else. So I wanted to show you, you can't have on this specific tab, you won't be able to have 2 charts open. So if you press this plus, it adds components to this specific tab. So you can have a few other things like the time and sales, or quotes and positions, and those things that already been opened.
Order filled.
But if you want to open, you can see charts are not. Yeah. So I'm going to close it here. If I close this chart, nothing is here. Go to the plus add components. You see chart popped up. So you just drag it and you can leave it somewhere in this. Let's say I want to leave it there for now, the time being. You can still drag it around. So move it here. There we go. You can move this one wherever you want, like that. You can drag these things bigger, smaller, manage a position like that. I'm not going to run into the specific chart settings because it's very similar to TradingView. There's nothing really, I would say, additional. So yep, and that is it from my side, guys. It's just a quick rundown what you can do with this. Remember, just you can always save this layout, and yes, like I said, use it on multiple screens, and you can have different charts. But like I said, it's similar to TradingView, and you would be able to do that. So I'm gonna do, if you have additional questions, guys, for me to help you out with this platform, I'm more than willing to help you guys. This is just a quick rundown of things I find sometimes difficult to find in the platform. You can also filter your stuff here. Sorry, I didn't mention that. So there's a couple of things we can talk about, and if you guys want to know how to trade with this platform, and if you like this video, please give it a like. And also there's some funded deal promos in the link in the description below, and please check it out, and see you in the next one. But guys, all the best. Cheers.